Welcome back everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to make all your TikTok videos private. So if you're on TikTok and you have videos on your TikTok profile, however, you want to make it private, then let me show you how to do this. So first, you want to go ahead and open up your TikTok app. Next, go ahead and tap on your profile page here at the bottom right. Now tap on the three dots or three lines at the top right. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Now here you want to go ahead and find Privacy, tap on it, and now you'll see Private Account. Now to make this private, go ahead and toggle the switch to the right hand side. Once you do this, all your videos will be private. Only people you approve can view your profile and post, and existing followers won't be affected. So there you go guys, that is how to make all your videos private on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.